Next, Sam has 3.7 as much money as Michael and 3.4 as much money as Peter. What is the ratio of Sam's money to the total amount of money the three boys have? So let's look at the fraction individually. These 3 over here belongs to Sam, and this 7 over here belongs to Michael. At the same time, Sam also has 3/4 as much money as Peter, which means this 3 belongs to Sam and 4 belongs to Peter. So we got 3 characters. We got Sam, we got Michael, we got Peter. So first one tells you Sam has 3, Michael has 7. And in this second fraction tells you that Sam has 3, while Peter has 4. So now we can combine everything. Lucky for us, Sam has 3 units in both the first scenario and the scenario. That's why we don't need any manipulation. We can just keep it as it is. So Sam has 3, Michael has 7, and Peter has 4. And the total will just be 3 unit plus 7 unit plus 4 unit, and that should give you 14 units. And that's why answer is 3:14 because Sam is the total is 3:14. So answer is 3:14.